So we have completed doing the top stitching for the yoke of the back part of the pants. We actually used a semi-stretch denim material. Okay, now we will be attaching the patch pocket at the back. Actually, we have traced the sewing lines for the patch pocket, and we will transfer these tracing marks on the right side of the fabric. Okay. We don't really have to trace everything on where to position our patch pocket. This is another way to mark the patch pocket on the right side of our fabric. We can pin the edge of the corner of the top side of the pocket and the edge of the corner of the side of the pocket. Then we also pin the center top side of the pocket and the other corner. We completely pin the length of the side of the pocket. Then with the tailor's chalk, we will mark the corner of the center and the other end of the pocket. Then we will mark the side, one side of the pocket. Okay, there. So we can remove the pins now. Okay. Now with the patch pocket, we will trim the sewing allowances and just leave 3/8 of an inch or 1 centimeter. Now we will also fold the top side of the pocket so we can top stitch this side. We pin the fold first. By the way, we're using an industrial sewing machine because the denim pants are quite thick. But if you have the old sewing machine, it's fine. You can use that to sew your denim pants. Again, from the edge of the fold, we go in 1/8 of an inch or 0.3 of a centimeter. We do double stitches on our top stitch. We use the side of the presser foot as our guide. Now we will be folding all sides of our patch pocket. We pin the fold in place. Of course, if you want a design here, you have to do the stitching first before you fold the sides of the pocket. To secure the fold, we might as well hand baste this. Okay, again we will hand baste the other patch pocket. Now we're ready to attach the patch pocket on one side of the back of the pants. Okay, we're lock stitching the start of our sewing. With the needle inside the fabric, we turn the fabric on the corner of the patch pocket. And again, on this point or corner, we have to turn our fabric by raising the presser foot first. Okay, you see that was lock stitch. And then, for the double top stitching, the sewer will just go sew in a little and then turns the fabric by raising the presser foot and start the second top stitching. Make sure the needle is in the fabric before turning the fabric. Okay, here we have to back stitch the stitches. Okay, we've finished with the attachment of one patch pocket. Now we're removing the thread of the hand basting. We will use the same procedure in attaching the patch pocket on the back part of the other side of the pants. Okay, we've completed attaching the patch pockets on the back part of the pants.